Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this type of exponential equation here on the board. We have here solve 4 to the power of 3x plus 1 minus 5 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3x plus 1 plus 4 equals 0. Here we have to find the value of x that will satisfy this equation. Now to put down here solution, I've come down here with a question. Here, the first step need to be considered is for us to express base 4 in base 2 because this is already in base 2, and we are going to convert this to quadratic equation. Now, here we express 4 to base 2, that is 2 to the power of 2 to give us 4, then multiply it by already existing power of 3x plus 1 minus 5 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3 x plus 1 plus 4 equals 0. Then this, record that we can also put this in this form: 2 to the power of 3x plus 1 multiplied by 2 minus 5 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3x plus 1 plus 4 equals 0. Now, 2 to the power of 3x plus 1 is common here. But as such, let's set m equals 2 to the power of 3x plus 1. But in this case, wherever you see 2 to the power of 3x plus 1, you substitute m. Now the equation becomes, here we are going to have m to the power of 2 minus 5m plus 4 equals 0. Now we have been able to achieve quadratic equation as I said earlier. Now, I'm not going to take you far here. We are going to solve this using factorization method, and I'm going to apply the shortcut method here. Now, since we have this, just come directly to the constants, look for two possible factors of 4, so that when you multiply, you have plus 4, and when you add up these two same factors, you have minus 5. Then, let these factors be minus 4 and minus 1. If you multiply minus 1 multiplied by minus 4, you have plus 4 exactly. And if you add up minus 4 plus minus 1, you have minus 5 exactly. Then open two brackets like this, equate it to 0. Since this is m squared, insert m here and insert another one here. Then introduce each of these factors into this bracket. You can choose to put 4 here and choose to put 1 here. Now, it is either this equals 0 or this equals 0. In that case, we have that m minus 4 equals 0 or m minus 1 equals 0. Therefore, m equals 4 or m equals 1. Then record that you set m to be equals 2 to the power of 3x plus 1. When here, m equals 2 to the power of 3x plus 1. But now you're going to substitute the value of m here. Then in case 1, we have that 4 equals 2 to the power of 3x plus 1. When you're going to express 4 in the same base of 2, we have 2 to the power of 2 equals 2 to the power of 3x plus 1. When since the bases are the same, equate the powers. In that case, we have 2 equals 3x plus 1. When if you correct like terms now, we have that 2 minus 1 equals 3x. Therefore, we have 2 minus 1. That gives you 1 equals 3x. Then to get x, you divide both sides by 3. Then that note x equals 1 over 3. This is the answer from case 1. Then from 2, m equals 1. We have it that m equals 1 equals 2 to the power of 3x plus 1. Then here from indices, any number raised to the power of 0 give you 1. When as such, you are free to have it 2 to the power of 0 equals 2 to the power of 3x plus 1. Now, since the bases are the same, we put the powers. Then we have here that 3x plus 1 equals 0. Therefore, if you move plus 1 to the right hand side of the equation becomes 3x equals negative 1. Then to get the value of x, we divide both sides by 3. Then that notes x equals minus 1 divided by 3. Then, in this case, the value of x that will satisfy this equation equals neither positive or negative 1 over 3. And these are the value of x that will satisfy this given exponential equation right here. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.